In this video, I'm going to show you how to see the login sessions of your Gmail account. This can help you to detect whether your account has been compromised or not. So let's begin. So open up a browser and go to gmail.com. Now at the bottom right of the screen, you will see last account activity. And just below that, you will see details option. This. So all you have to do is click on the details option and a pop-up will appear. In that screen, you're going to see a list of all the browsers and all the IP addresses that were used to access your Gmail account. If you think that your account was compromised, you can simply end all sessions or you can use the IP addresses to track the hacker. I hope this video was helpful for you. Do subscribe.